What is up, YouTube? A little weathered today, a little tired for once, but we do a lot of moving, and we are here at Channel Lake State Park, back at it again in the campsite, and we're gonna head down to Catfish Cove to see if we can catch any predator fish. Let's go. We're here at the spot, guys. I'm gonna bring this with little striking bitzy bug minnow. I was actually looking for a little one of my typical minnow jigs that I usually use, but I saw this, so I'm actually gonna throw it. So we'll see what we do with that striking bitzy minnow I just showed you. Really windy, a few people out rigging up now and just carrying very few things with me, and let's see what happens. Geese poop. Striking, what is it, a bitzy minnow? It's a really small, not even an inch. Not even sure if it's half an inch. But we're gonna toss that and see what happens. It's got something. Oh. Oh. It's on 4-pound test here. Oh, it looks like a largemouth. On the crankbait, guys. That is awesome. Here we are. Yes. Check that out, guys. Right out here in front of Gil's concession stand. Whew, check that out, guys. On that striking little bitzy minnow, I'm pretty sure it was called. Awesome fish. I think it was the second cast, literally the second cast with that lure. So that is really cool. Take these micro little treble hooks out of them now. That is awesome. Nice fish. Fox River, Channel Lakes. Out here on the docks. Maple Grove boat launch, free public launch, right in front of Gil's concession stand. Look how fast the sky is moving. That's how windy it is today. There's one. Oh yeah. Got to keep him down. I'm pretty sure it's another bass. We'll see. Oh yeah, it's another bass. Another largie. Beautiful. So what's kind of funny is I'm fishing this like a jerkbait, as I would. You've seen my Chicago River videos, as I would in that. And that's when they're hitting, so. Here we are, guys, our second bass out here, Maple Grove boat launch in the middle of the three docks here. Look at that. And again, if there's boats out here, I'm not going to be out here fishing, obviously. I'm going to respect the boaters. I'm going to go off to the side until everybody's free of the area. You do not want to be fishing on the dock when boaters are trying to dock. This is for them, it's for their safety, and it's important. But we're out here catching fish right now. Early spring. These fish are actually staging to spawn. They're not spawning yet, but they're staging to. Right in front of Gil's concession stand. And now we're gonna go in for the release. I've never had that problem before. Look at that. The hooks are actually so small that they're intertangled. They're tangling up on each other. But so far we got 2 bass on this beautiful little Strike King lure. Awesome design, man. Swam straight right out of the box. No complaints. Beautiful. Goose Poop City. That's how you know we're here early spring. Boating season has not yet picked up yet. And that's why we're doing what we're doing. I want one more to make the video. I keep getting so many bites, it's ridiculous. I think if I were to use one of those little swim baits, there's one. Oh. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at these little tiny crankbait, man. It's crazy.
I love those little crankbaits.
I know. It's awesome. Look at that, guys. Beautiful fish. And that little crankbait again. Check it out, guys. A beautiful, beautiful bass. Channel Lake State Park. Spring is in full swing out here, guys. Spring is in full swing. These bass are staging to spawn. Males out here trying to build their beds. We're gonna be frogging in no time. Awesome fish. Going in for the release. Alright guys, I guess that is gonna do it for us today. Nice sized bluegill on the crankbait. Very nice fish. It's gonna send us out here today. Catfish Cove, Maple Grove Boat Launch, Gil's concession stand. That's where we are. All 3 of those locations exist where we are. Going in for the release. On that beautiful, beautiful little Strike King bitzy minnow. That's what we did it today, folks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that like button. Send this video to a friend if they don't like fishing. I promise you they will start. And we'll see you guys out here next time on another Geo Fishing exclusive. Peace. It was a good day today, guys.